Good evening and a warm welcome to the Heal Security Dispatch Daily Digest, your go-to source for the latest in cybersecurity trends and expert insights, proudly presented by Heal Security. I'm Richard Simmons, joining you from London, ready to explore the vital nexus of healthcare and cybersecurity intelligence today. Today is Monday, the 31st of March, 2025. Join me as we explore the complex terrain of cybersecurity in the digital world. Russian hackers are reportedly exploiting a vulnerability known as CVE 2025-2-66-33, using a technique dubbed MSC EvilTwin to deploy malware like SilentPrism and DarkWisp. This cyber campaign indicates an elevated threat level, targeting sensitive data while bypassing traditional security measures. Authorities have been alerted to these sophisticated attacks and are urging organizations to update their security protocols to mitigate risks. Morphing Meerkat phishing kits exploit DNS-MX records to serve spoofed login pages targeting over 100 brands, enhancing phishing attacks by dynamically tailoring login pages. The kits use compromised domains, open redirects, and a phishing-as-a-service platform to target users globally, distributing stolen credentials via email and Telegram. This platform, active for at least 5 years, evades security by using obfuscated code and dynamically loads HTML based on MX records while adapting pages into multiple languages. Tech giant Oracle is under scrutiny for 2 potential data breaches, one involving Oracle Health and patient data and another concerning Oracle Cloud servers. Despite notifying some healthcare customers, Oracle denies any breach of its cloud, while hackers claim access to Oracle data. Cybersecurity experts are criticizing Oracle for its lack of transparency and communication. Cybersecurity researchers have identified a scheme where hackers exploit WordPress MU-Plugins to conceal malicious code, targeting unwary website administrators. This method allows attackers to deploy persistent malware across all sites on a multi-site network, complicating detection and removal efforts. Security experts recommend that website owners regularly scan their plugins and update security measures to mitigate such vulnerabilities. The Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, has issued a warning about a resurgence in malware activity linked to vulnerabilities in Ivanti products. This alert comes as cybercriminals increasingly exploit these vulnerabilities, posing significant risks to systems worldwide. Organizations are urged to implement immediate security measures to mitigate potential threats. In recent developments, the Qakbot malware has resurfaced, launching a new wave of ClickFix attacks targeting thousands of systems globally. Security experts have detected this cyber threat exploiting vulnerabilities through phishing emails designed to lure victims into downloading malicious payloads. The resurgence of Qakbot highlights the persistent and evolving challenges in cybersecurity, requiring heightened vigilance and updated protective measures. Chord Specialty Dental Partners has experienced a data breach that has compromised the personal information of approximately 170,000 individuals. The breach, detected on March 16, 2023, involved unauthorized access to patient names, addresses, dates of birth, social security numbers, and health insurance information. The company has since taken steps to fortify its security measures and is providing affected individuals with credit monitoring services. Thank you for listening. I'm Richard Simmons. We appreciate your time and listening. I am excited to have you with us again tomorrow for more insightful updates. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for continuous coverage and expert analysis, and sign up for a free trial of Heal Security Desktop at healsecurity.com. Until we meet again, don't have nightmares. Stay informed and secure in the digital world.